Hey, Bay State Yankee here. It has come to my attention recently that some of you newbie high schoolers don't have any idea how to cover a book. You're going to be going off to school in a couple weeks. Your teachers are going to issue you a lot of books. They're going to tell you that you need them covered. You're going to go home with them. Some of you are going to whine to mom and dad about it. Mom's going to end up Googling it and then doing it something on Pinterest with flowers or something. You're going to be ashamed to have it. You're going to tear it off. You're going to get in trouble when you go back to school. A few of you are going to go by the dollar store and buy some contact paper, stick it on the book, and end up paying for the thing. It's about time you kind of learned how to do these things on your own. So listen up. This is serious. You go to school, you get your books, you come back, you got a stack of them. You're going to get yourself some paper bags. You probably got them from shopping all summer at Walmart. And you're going to cover them. They're going to come out nice. They're going to look like this. Just like this. Simple brown paper. You can write on it. You can put your notes for class inside. If the thing gets too worn, or if you break up with your girlfriend, you want her name off the book, you cover it again. Takes you about 5 minutes a book or less, and it's free. You don't have to bug mom and dad. They're going to think you're a responsible adult, for God's sakes. So it's about time you kind of pulled your pants up and started doing it yourself. So watch this video, learn how to do it, and start doing it. Enough said. Okay, here's how you cut the bag. Take a flat paper bag like this, and I'm going to cut the bottom off. I'm not going to open it up yet. I'm just going to cut it like this. You cut right along that edge. I'm just cutting that fold right off. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Cut right along here. Basically, you're just cutting the bottom off the bag, just like that. Okay. Then pick a corner, any corner, go right down, and you got a flat piece of paper. That's what you're going to cover your book with. Okay, you take your paper, any lettering is going to be facing up. You're going to take your book, you're going to position it here, kind of center it, so you can see where you're going to make the fold, and you're going to fold part of it up, and part of it down, right where I made that crease. Then I'm going to check it. Looks pretty good. Fold it to half like that. Trim off the excess, but I left a piece. See how much I left? I left a piece. That's going to fold inside the cover. It'll form a pocket. Lift the book, fold it inside the cover, turn the book over, lift the cover, fold it in, excuse me, just like that. Now it's not secure, but you see we have a pocket here. You're going to take the book, the cover part, shove it into that pocket, turn it over. This one's a little funkier. And open that pocket up and get that cover right in there. And that's it. Now if you have excess, you can work it down there. Great. Just cover your book. Put your title there, your name, like this. Math. Haywood Hubert. Cover your book. Okay, good. You got all that? I'm confident that you can do this. It's not hard. It's just a fact of life. You do it and you move on. You're gonna encounter things that are much more harder in life than covering a book. So let's just do it, stop the whining, and get it over with. Thanks for watching. And have a good school year.